look at all my people on TikTok. We got a grudge race coming up. My supercharged Caprice versus an all-motor S10 with one of them big motors in it. Yeah, it's a race car, trailer car. Y'all gonna have to pick and see who gonna win. Okay. We got a turbo Mustang right here. Yeah, the S10 the street. Oh yeah, they is saying that they driving it on the street and they got pump gas. What's our full pass or no full pass?
No problem.
No problem? Okay, he said it ain't gonna have no problem, y'all. Okay, let me see. Okay, they TikTok saying it's gonna make a full pass. Look out, TikTokers. I'm about to get ready to race that S10. If y'all gonna wanna see the race, y'all head over to my YouTube channel, Look Out Racing. Also, when you get over there, y'all let me know so I could let me know you came from TikTok so I can share. Okay, they having another party. I need to pull up. I'll be lagging over here. Okay. Yeah, man. Clarence shot. Dang, all them people blessed. This just the feed lagging. Let me move. I gotta move. The feed lagging over here. Look out, Izzy in the building, y'all. Jacob Tripp from the top. There's got so many people coming in. Murder got all the signal, man. Oh, he got out of it. Damn. Damn, what the hell, all that noise down. I hope I ain't got to get out of my shit. Jeffrey Weed Wise from the top. Big Zoo 90 just came from the top. Okay. Okay, got people from what? Oh, what's up with it? Okay, Angel, Adriano. Okay. Charles Day from the top, y'all. We got Charles Day just came over from the top. But y'all coming over, Brody. And he do that sometime, but it's gonna be clear. Using the same thing, man. Okay, I'm finna get over here. From the top, Ivan just came from the top, y'all. Okay. Let me see what we finna do right here, y'all. Y'all think he finna make a full pass over there? Or no full pass? Lupita Garcia. Hey. They say Murder got a jammer. Stephen Gann from the top. What's up with it, Valentin Keith? Xavier Smith just came from the top. Okay, he didn't. You think bet I don't lose signal on this? Okay, it's clear now. Oh yes. We got HD over here on YouTube, y'all. Alan from the top, what's up with it? Cedric, Jimmy, Dirty Sanchez, look out, look out. G Money from the top. Here we go, y'all. They saying full pass. Oh, man. That's the lane I got, y'all. I hope I'll be able to make a damn full pass now. Dang. I got left lane, y'all. Ah.
I like that race. I did a lot of thinking. I like that race.
Yeah.
With that truck?
The truck versus the Caprice. Yeah, that's going to be a good. Yeah, he just motor.
I really do think. I think it's gonna be a good race, but I think you got the better chance.
But I got the left lane, and they ain't making no full pass in the left lane.
I'm not worried about that. That's because they don't worry about that.
Okay, don't.
Yeah,
okay.
Because you know how to hook on this kind of a track.
Yeah.
So you use that tune.
Yeah.
And you're gonna pull third gear guaranteed on that guy.
Yeah. Okay.
100%. If he's not spraying nitrous, you're gone. In the top end.
Okay. Hey, y'all. He said I'm gonna be gone on the top end, y'all.
Especially you've probably gone at the beginning. If he's only motor.
Yeah.
You've got a supercharger.
Yeah. You think it's gonna pull that supercharger? Gonna pull me in front?
Yeah.
Okay.
I
Bet.
think so. I don't think you're gonna be behind at all.
Okay. I'm gonna put that. Yeah, I'm gonna try to cut that light. I'm gonna cut that light.
I put a 40 on it.
Okay.
If I had my wallet in my pocket right now.
Okay. Look out.
$40. Like here.
Oh shit. Let me see if he done pulled up yet, man. Look out. What's up with it? I'm gonna use that sticky pickle, y'all. Shout out to my boy Sticky Pickle. Hey, the truck pulled up yet? Cause I don't want to complain and shit. What's up with it? Let me tell him I'm finna run that truck. He ain't pulled up. Look out, you know I'm supposed to be running that truck, right?
You already good.
Okay, I'm just making sure. Already, y'all. I'm good, y'all. Yeah, he said I'm good. I'm good. Y'all, I'm gonna put that sticky pickle on his ass. I'm gonna try to hook. They want me to let him. Okay, everybody, where y'all going on this one, y'all?
So you can beat him?
Yeah, I think I can beat him. Where y'all going on this one? Let me see. Let me get everybody betting. See what TikTok betting is since they so smart. All my TikTokers, y'all make sure y'all check out my YouTube channel, Lookout Racing. Got it widescreen. Got the HD working right now. You can put it on your TV, turn your phone sideways, get a shout out.